Hey everyone, and welcome back. I am going to tell you how I achieved this look today. So this was another inspired look by Deandra Nicole. This was another look that she did a while back with the crystallized palette. So I don't have that palette. So I had to improvise, but the real, I guess, point of this look was the blush. So I got some new blushes, and then I wanted to ombre or take a chance. My first attempt at this ombre pink to purple blush idea. So this is what I used. I first started, let me start under the brow. So I used the P. Louise Rumor 0.5 base. And I applied that under the brow. And then I used a lot of colors from my Wild Side palette from Believe Butte. So I started out with some pinks. These three right here. So this one is Azalea, Flamingo, and So Fetch. So I use those to ombre from top to middle to crease area there. And then I went to another P. Louise base in just the color black. And that's, of course, how I got my inner and outer shape there. And I went over those areas with this color called Aubergine on the most outer corners, this one right here, and then towards the, still on the outer, but you know, getting closer to the middle, I use this color, Purple Haze. And then I went with a couple of shimmers. So I started with this color from JD Glow in Anomaly. So I went in the middle with that, and then, but I kind of blended that out. But then right in the center, I used this color from Terra Moons in Banshee's Wail. So yeah, when you don't have the same products, you have to improvise. And if you have something close, that's what I did to achieve this look. Lower lash line, I used the liner from Moira in, what is it called? Zora. And then I tapped it with a little more of the Banshee's Wail right in the middle. For lashes, I'm using my MUFE palette from Crystal Lashes again. And this time I'm using the style MUFE, which was in the middle there. And then what I did was I applied my, foundation from Danessa Myrick. I first put down my primer by her also, the Glow Serum in Main Squeeze. Then I put the foundation on. Then I think I put my powder on too from Charlotte Tilbury. The Airbrush 4 Deep. And then I went in with the blushes. So two new blushes I got. One is from Patrick Ta. This is my first product from Patrick Ta. And it's his blush in his Doubletake cream and powder blush, and She's Giving. And I got this idea from Jackie Ina. She was the one blowing this one up. So she said it looks good on deeper complexions to be like a candy pink. Blue based, of course. So I decided to go ahead and try it out. So that's the cream, of course, at the top, and that's the actual blush. Now the cream I put down first, right here in this area. It really didn't show much. It just looked like some cream on my face or something. Watch that, pause. But then I took the pastel pinks, the So Fetch, these three again, to kind of feather out from the eye. And then to kind of set everything and, blend, I use the powder in the palette. And then I went from that to this other new blush, liquid blush I got from Makeup Forever. I came across this just surfing online. And it is their new, I guess it's fairly new, Artist Liquid Color in, it's a cheek and lip. And this color is called Rain in Purple, number 825, and it's a matte. So after you apply it, it sets matte. So I actually blended that in to the blush area. And then I used a little bit of this powder from the palette, City Girls, I think I used. Because I think that one was kind of the closest to the liquid blush. So I just kind of applied a little bit on top just to bring the purple out a little more, because when you kind of blend it out, it leans pink. So I wanted to bring the purple out more. So then I also applied it to the lips. And again, I applied some of the Banshee's Well on top, just to give it an iridescence and to kind of tie the lips in with the lids. So yeah, that's pretty much how I achieved the look. I kind of like how it turned out. I usually don't wear my blush this bright, but for the sake of playing with these new blushes, I wanted to do something to kind of bring it out more and to showcase these new colors. So I got these products from Sephora a little earlier than I should have, since I know the sale is actually tomorrow. So I got to figure out maybe something else I might want so I can get it on sale. So yeah, I got the earrings a little while back. I think I got these from when I went to a festival and the vendors were out there, and I think that's where I got these from. It was so hard to keep up, but that's where I got those. I thought they looked kind of matching with the look, so it's got the purple and the pink in there. So yes, I hope you like this look. I hope I'm not forgetting anything, but if I do, I will include it down below in the description box. The tutorial, the link to this makeup tutorial will be in the description box below. Also, if in case you wanted to see the look being put together. So I hope you like this look, and I hope this look will inspire you to create something of your own, just like it did for me. Thanks for watching. Bye.